Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a YesStyle Inssakit to show you. Would you like to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I saw that YesStyle had another one of these Inssakits available. I think the last one that I got was volume 2 and this one is a volume 3. So when I saw that they had this available, I was like, I gotta get this so I can show you guys what is all inside. So this right here, I paid $69.90 for it, and it is supposed to have a worth of $170 or more. So if you want to know a little bit about this, again, this is the YesStyle Inssakit. This is volume 3. It's called Keep It Green Edition Box Set. Brought to you by YesStyle, Inssakit's new Keep It Green Edition box set showcases 8 vegan and cruelty-free beauty products to add to your routine. From its packaging made from recyclable cardboard and printed with eco-friendly soy ink, everything was created for you to live the green lifestyle. The sleeve of the packaging can be turned into an origami box for holding knickknacks and accessories. Also comes with a silicone cup and a BTS notebook. So there's that. And again, everything is going to be cruelty-free, vegan, K-beauty products that are going to be in here with, I think it's supposed to be a little bit of skincare and maybe some makeup. I'm not quite sure. I honestly don't remember what is all in it, but it is super cute. That's what the front of it looks like with the sleeve. And on the back, here is what it was saying on how to cut this out. And it shows you how to make a little box out of that. So I will definitely check that out and see what that looks like. So let's get this little sleeve off so we can get to the inside of the box and see what's going to be in here. So it says Keep It Green Edition, and that's what it looks like on the top. And then when we open it up, there is everything in there. Yes, I do see some makeup. So it is definitely both. So let's just go ahead and start pulling this stuff out. And if I can go through and find the products, I'll put it on the side so you know what the pricing is for each product. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is right here. And this says, it's kind of hard to read with all the white. It's an eye butter. Let me open it. Okay. So that's what the product looks down inside, and it is an eye butter. Let me see if it gives us any other information on here. Directions: gently dab around the upper and lower eye area with fingertip morning and night. Can be applied after fundamental eye awakening gel. So that's really cool. We have an eye cream, and that is a good size for an eye cream. So there's the first item right there. I love skincare. This one says green tea and enzyme powder wash. So let's see what this one looks like. It is a powder. It is a powder. Does this say what it is? This is a cleansing powder. So you apply a little bit inside the palm of your hand, and then you just mix it with water and rub it together, and then use it to cleanse your face. It just says rub in circular motions and then wash off thoroughly with warm water. It's just a little hard to see that little font because it's such a light color. But yeah, so you have a little bit in here. You just pour some in the palm of your hand, mix a little bit of water, and then just put it around your face, go in circular motions, and then rinse it off with warm water. That's neat. This is heavy. This seems like this is a glass bottle or a jar. This says Fig Scrub Mask. It even comes with a little scooper outer inside. And that's what the packaging looks like. That is a glass jar. Apply on whole face, avoiding eye area after cleansing. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water after massaging. And you guys, normally I don't really care for like this type of like a face mask that you have to wash off. So I'm not going to open the top part. I'm going to leave it like this and just set this aside for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But it says it's a Fig Scrub Mask. And then you do have that little thing in here to help get the product out to put it on your face. So there's that. All right. Oh, so this must be the silicone cup. How cute. At least you know it won't break no matter where you go with it. That is really cute. It's actually like a good size for a silicone cup, and it's not even like it's gonna fall apart. It's like thick constructed to where it just stays like that. You have a silicone mug. That is really neat. You have that. Then we have in here, it says, this is a super balance brightening ampule. Take amount of the product and apply to face and neck. And it does have a little dropper. It's like a creamy, milky consistency. But there's that. Now we have is a Lotus water cream. I really love water creams. So let's see what this one looks like. The packaging, wait, is that stickers or something? No, the packaging is so cute. Like inside there's unicorns. Can I see the rest of that? Does that come out? It does. They are stickers. How cute. They are literally stickers in there. Save the Earth, Clean Beauty, customize the bottle. Okay, so you can put all of these on here. You can customize your container. That is really neat. So this is what it looks like. It has 75% of lotus flower extracts to help with hydrating dry skin. It says apply to face and neck and dry area. Suitable for combination to oily skin. Apply as often as necessary. Use morning and or night. So there's that. And you can customize it by putting your own little stickers on there. That's so cute. Okay, so now we have, there's a sticker right over what this is. Mugwort Spot Gel is what it says. In the last step of skincare, apply an appropriate amount to the affected area and tap it in gently. So that's what that one looks like. And it just says spot gel. So maybe it's like to help eliminate dark spots. But there's that. So now we have, it says Get Jewel Palette. Ooh. So there's like a little 4-quad palette, eyeshadow palette that's in here. And that's what it looks like. So you have an eyeshadow palette. And then it looks like we have a lipstick. This one says Glittery Wave Lip Balm. It's a really pretty package. Ooh. So you see all like the little sparkles in there, the glitter. So this is just a regular lip balm. Glittery Wave Lip Balm. And if you want to look at the whole thing in its entirety, so it has all the glitter inside of it. It just has like a slight color, but it's a clear, like a lip balm. So that's really cool. So you have a lip balm, you have an eyeshadow palette, you have a lot of amazing skincare items. This is nice. Okay, what is this? Oh, we have a little, oh, for the mask. This is a silicone mask brush. See? And it's silicone, so you can get like, so if you have like a face mask or anything like that, you can use this to dig in there and just put around your face, and it makes it so much easier, especially applying it, because it just like goes around your whole face and it's like makes it an even coating. So I really do like these. So you have a mask brush, and then this is the last item that is down inside. Let me remove the plastic. So that's what that looks like out of the packaging. There's like these little tabs of the characters. How cute. So what is this? So like a little, just like a little notebook. Okay. So it's just all plain. So you have like the first tab here when you open it up. And then you just have blank pages. They're blank on the front. No, or is it just the front one blank? Hold on. Okay, just the front one was blank. So then that's what it looks like inside. And then here's the next one. They all have the same design, and then there's just all these different tabs so you can actually organize your notebook. I think that's really cute. It says number 21. Well, that's cute. So you have that. So that is everything that came in this volume number 3, Keep It Green Inssakit by YesStyle. So going over a quick recap, we have this journal book that you can use it for anything and jot things down. You have a silicone cup. You have a glittery lip balm. You have the mugwort spot gel. The lotus water cream that even comes with stickers to decorate it. You have a 4-quad eyeshadow palette, which is a neutral color, which would be good for, I would think, a lot of people. So I think that's a good shade tone that they put in here. You have the mask brush. You have a face mask here, where that's the Fig Scrub Mask. You have the brightening ampule, the green tea and enzyme powder wash. And then the last thing was this guy here, which was the eye butter. So that is everything that came in this kit, you guys. Again, I paid $69.90 and it's supposed to be $170 or more as far as the value. So what did you guys think of everything that came inside of it? Would you be happy with spending this? Would you like this as a gift? I mean, it would be even an amazing gift if you wanted to give it to somebody. Mother's Day is coming up, birthdays, I'm sure, coming up, that kind of thing. But if you just want to spoil it for yourself, there's the option. So I definitely wanted to grab it. I wanted to show you guys what was in it, and I love skincare, so it was a win-win for me. Some stuff will go in giveaways, some stuff I'm excited to try out, and then I got to show you the whole kit. So there you go. So comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of the products that were inside? What do you think of YesStyle? I do have a code actually if you did want to purchase anything from YesStyle. I think it's SheCrafty. Let me see here. It's SheCrafty, and that'll get you 5% off your total. And they have sales all the time. They have so many different products. If you want to go check them out, I will link them down below, and SheCrafty will save you some money. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.